Kambu chiri bubere na merongebere nebere na mange abereka okolekana kurwase mambia lenge ntambe Ensa Eyemo yabono maragoba ayi wanongo chiwo kumanya se Muchumugo isaranso ike nyalo kumanya se maragoba yabono inyora ni maragoba bene kerobono omonya kerobo weke mbekeli kyobocholi ni chimbe IBC waflache bukati aberega komurali bene omurwandire kurwase kyamakeli kya UDA bwego kabero mokonyo mure wensa sense ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto nakoba bunanere bono gochikoyera ense ya Kenya ase emyake tanere bosiane ne maiga yokobo mubwe asobocholi bwa kolekana litukule Jumaine hobwaganyerere nabange nigo chebukati anyaraga kuralia ya kurwase nyomba ya Bomas of Kenya kutoka se county ya Nairobi no nabo ni ganyara kumara Ruto ngabwa sanyara konyora chikura chinyinge egentuke mwire Ruto bono ko muri wense ya Kenya.
So in accordance with the law, the constitution and the law, I Wafula Chebukati, chairperson of the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, hereby declares that Ruto William Samoei elected as the president of the Republic of Kenya under the provisions of Article 138 of the Constitution in the presidential election held on 9th of day of August 2022. And I'll proceed to sign the certificate.
Asobochori obogo bwabo kolekana maiga yo munyakiro bwekembe kyobochori ne chimbe wa flache bukanti konyara kurali benne amachibwa yokura Bomas Minyaseri tukolya lero ni gobono omurwandirwe kyamakya ODM rera Morodinga anyaraga kwenyora ase kerengo kemia emeronge ene naisano naisato nugutesana isato naisano asemia 48.8% achukura chirichia bachi wakwa nabwo chinga kyechi Ruto ni genyora 50.49% aichukure chiaba chiwakwa ayayiga narama chibu anene maiga ya chebukati kuralia gati y'abarwaniri bane abo bari koligiye kerogo kyoborai bwense.
So there are 4 presidential candidates. These are the aggregated results. Odinga Raila, total valid votes 6,942,930. And this represents 48.85% of the votes garnered, and he achieved a number of counties the candidate attained with at least 25% of the total valid votes cast is 34 counties. Ruto William Samoei, number of valid votes, 7 million. Thank you. 7,176,141. This represents 50.49%. And he achieved the minimum number of 39 counties at 25%. Wahika David Maure, number of valid votes in figures 31,987. That represents 0.23%. Number of counties with a minimum of 25%, 0. Wachakoya George Luchiri, 61,969. Those are valid votes. percentage of votes cast 0.44%, and number of counties with a minimum of 25% attained 0.
Na boigo chinga kiechini gobono chebukate aberega korra buna no nyama iga yobo chori obakolekana senchira yobo asiro no bwasioko una se kyombe kalikyo bochori ne chimbebe bunero munyakero buniga abereka gwetera mange goika koralia ni ngomo buya sobo chori aseri tukuria lero chebukate boigo niga atebire buna mangera ereba gwetera nigera tenete na gote abuna hakora kolengana nerichiko ashinga kiechibono anyareka gote abuna asatebire buna na chi osasa berenrimbuya balibono aberega kubwatira na borobu anene asobo choryo boiga wabeire bokoera.
Let me also at this point in time acknowledge my boss, the President of the Republic of Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, who has worked with me over the last 10 years in
Monchumurigeri bono eyune nkwana ya ye omorai wense bono yobaga kurari gubene ne kyomekari kyobochori ne chimbebe wafla chebukati una atebire mbiya sokumere mbiya omorai yo kabiro omorai wense Uhuru Kenyatta anene yono babiri bagokora nere mbere munigo chinga kyechibono Ruto abaga kuberene mbiya bachumbe bali bona abereka gokora na borobe mere mane kurwa sesera sensemo ye serikali ya Jubilee awere bakubwata na borobo asokurwa obokora ribwabo nagote abuna mbagandre kubwatirana eliko ene kibuna nkurwa robokoreri ase ense ya Kenya.
Especially the men and women members of parliament who were elected with us in Jubilee, and they have paid a heavy price for us to get here. Ladies and gentlemen, waheshimiwa, let me say I owe you. You are great people. The sacrifices you made, withstanding the many incidences of blackmail and threats, I want to tell you, you have earned your place in the history of Kenya, because today we're going to form a government together.
Na boigo ekra yu agendrete Ruto bono ni gaburi bali bakubwate sianse mo ye serikali na sobo choli bwabere bokoera mbaba se ko bana bobonde bwense kolenga Ruto ni gate biribu na chikubwata na mona Kenya bonsi no nyembali batamwa kirete chikura na boigo abana ba waziri boigo bali bakubwate serikali asobo choli bwabere osobo kubwate serikali asobo choli bwabere bokoera Ruto ni gaburi onde bwense gotasaibwoba maiga yogosoa ase serikali.
I know many are wondering, especially those who have done many things against us. I want to tell them that they have nothing to fear. There is no room. There is nothing. There is no room for vengeance. There is no room for looking back. We are looking into the future. I am acutely aware that our country is at a stage where we need all hands on deck to move it forward. We do not have the luxury to look back. We do not have the luxury to point fingers. We do not have the luxury to apportion blame. We must and work together for a functioning, democratic, prosperous Kenya.
Na boigo ayuka genrete aba commissioner bane gati ya batano na babere kurose kyombekeri kyobochori ne chimbe IBC ni gobate bire buna mbaranchira na machibu abagakoralirwa kurwa sensemo ya Bomas miyomuchi o Nairobi kolengana ba commissioner ubane ni gobate bire buna obochori mbokorete osembokorekaneti ya senchera yobokene anene asentunde yo mwelia asaba mulekerekero kyobore bwense kolengana ba commissioner ubane kurwa sekembe kyobochori ne chimbe IBC baraboni gobate bire namba bwente gatambukiro nkibone tukoirwa aso kunyara kuligereria obokene anene asobochori bwabeire bokoera ni gobono batato batigera sensemo ya Bomas of Kenya ekaro chukura cyari kuralirwa bene no munyakiro bekombekeri kyobochori n'icumbe ya IBC ekaro kiribane gati ya obono banyara kurunkwana yabo nagote yabuna bochori obumbokorira senchera yobwasiore no bwasioko.
The 2022 general election, and we have ensured that we have improved the standards, and we have ensured that we have consistently communicated what is happening. We have partnered with all stakeholders, and we'll say it for a fact that as the Commission, we have done a good job. But some things need to be put out there. As you can see, the four of us, we are here, not at Bomas of Kenya, where the result is going to be announced, because of the opaque nature of how this phase has been handled. We therefore cannot take ownership on the results that
na boiga yue keragenrete kero kelibono abwatani anene kurwa somoli bwazimio wan Kenya baganyata machiwa seri tukolia lero imeje county ya Kisumu boncherie ni gobwarroka na gotene na seri tukolia lero kubwatakana buna abanga kurwa senseme ni gobaganyata machiwa seri tukolia lero egento kero boncherie gotakolekana chiduka chinyinge ange chonsi ya sensemo ya Kisumu niga seri tukolia lero chiasiekire abwasa abwatani baganyata gochengera litukolia lero asukuralirwa kumura bwense andake egentegetekera nakolengana nokugani kwabo noenda bontogenrete kubwatia onse araba gakolekana kurwa senseme yunyara hukumanyia una yumuligereria Ndizi TV kula siri tukulia lero himiye county ya Kisumu obonchereria nigo bwatenena anena chiduka chonsi asomo cyo Kisumu aiga sense ya Kenya. Nago tigana na mangana lingetena siyasa tumulekere ensemende omorokyo yomo aserieta enrinyabuto choti kurwensemo ya sameta ime yabo basi county ya Kisi nigobona ganiryo bohene aya nigago cha maiga yogo chererwa litukule Jumaine maiga yogo wake kura yaye ekrale kwira nago chinkani gobona abantu bamanyire ba musagane tinze cyemo gasona bakamure pigipigi yaye ogwikira boni gataranya robo ene bwa yasalire serikali kumugege tambokero elibono anyole obwene bwayo mulikito Josephat Amisi noroboti rwa senchira yoboikirano
yaba Kenya abanga wesokina gwaka chikura chevo chitariki kyenda cy'umutinyi ogatana gatatu mwaka yana kwerana chinga cyababuya bono omwalimu Henry Nyabuto choti kurwase sublocation ye Rigo ime ya Sameta nigo agendete ko bagakorera bwane bwaye magayo gwaka ikura yaye asigata seniki gwaka chikura Kenya nsakia nabayigo kalinchira kwenda nyomba asanyolete bono abantu banyate ko bakumurwana na kumugura epikipiki yaye
Njengoro kwa mwalimu Henry Nyabuto choti kana wagaiga wase sublocation yerigo nigo ndete kumanya abantu bamintu ngari tukoria chitariki kyanda nabo getamambiye kigimanka na gakekura ari asege tukiana kyanya nsakia akero na koriro wake kura kero ngoyo na bochaka ningwate pikipiki ngotarira goikanchira konyora manondo konyorire umilio manyiga witira kirwa soko bako kake breaking gatenena kotokonya komponya kobolia ngikiaba abantu bakarukuru maiga yane baka bwata bakangita baka muri pigi baka ikibaza cyari mu bukwe imebi bande kiregento bakaira
kulingana na Henry nigairite gitambukiro na kugenda segetukia banyanyimbo kia itumbe asanya letoko bagakoaka oroboti na boigo kanyara ko bagakoene kiwango bwene mbonyara ko bukubwatiwa
segetu yitugia police kia itumbe kariboti ya mangana ya se police police bakarika obi bagante binga ndali tukoli ko bwatia tukoli ke statement na maana na jide chitariki 11 kalike statement ya service ya DCIO abantu abo bangitete nimba manyete kaba amarieta mo chief area ya tora sub location ala ke no mo DCIO ara ta abantu abo ya kala bangitete bibi na era bayirete bibi assistant chief propuesta bocher DCI akamusabanga areta abantu abwegera bache kuri statement
Henry boigo nigatebire abanyaltoko bakomorwania nabantu anyaltoko bakobamanya igoni gaganyete serikali nyarako bayikwiri gitambukiro elinde banyarako bakobiko byana banyarako bakoeresa esababu enene banyaltoko bakomorwania
igonta getagote banga abantu abaminto n'abantu tumanya ine abandi nigo bara bagendi bechipigipigi gagu nyansongu n'abantu tumanya ine tuanya kuma na ndonsi tuanya gutwara wowe bondo bwensi igona bondo no gukuminga ngia kwa litukeri bare ko ngachokera litukuri echukura na abantu tuancha ine abandi bakumbugoria nyane kera ko ende school kumbugori bare bondo bana kumiti litukeri ngia kwa bara ko ngachokera bako ngatara
nonyina bo egetaseni gyaito gya Ndizi television ikirakerete gitambukiro gya okomorgia omo sub chief bwa egiro sub location eyo ya Erigo Madam Esther nigo anyala ko bagotweresa buna amangana yo nigo agendete ko bagakorerwa obotuki ko reporteria Ndizi TV mi account ya Kisii reterane Josephat amese
Monchumuli kono kubwatekana nebironga ncherere mbuturega wamangana magia asenchiri obwekero Ensa Eyemo yabono margoba inyira tokwirene satagantu bwachiri boti akoro chinsemo abali kibaito basangereria mange nabondo chikomena nabande bali chinsemo chinsesito chiabutuko elibona sobwagaro monchumuli tokumanyi ali agendete gwatekana ne asechiri boti chirengete amangana siasa amonenda mange biemono hasongo chora gotengera Ndizi